Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you're trying to find the fuse for your radiator fan, stay with us guys and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, including guys that Dodge Dart, that generation will have at least 200 videos. We took even the whole engine apart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we put guys into these videos and all the free information we provide to you. If you want to save even more money on car parts and tools or anything pretty much, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We'll share it so you can save more money. Now we need to open guys the hood. Let me explain now quick. If you need to replace radiator fan, radiator fan computer, anything like that, we have the videos on the channel, so check it out. Now this is a 2015 Dodge Dart now, and radiator fan, as you can see guys, it is right here. Okay, the radiator fan actually has a computer too. Okay, so the computer is the one that's very okay, the one that's controlling speeds and all that stuff. You have a single fan. Okay, always keep your fingers out of it, but you can see that's where the computer is located. Now you have guys a fuse box under the hood. Okay, this fuse box right here. And how you guys open that fuse box? Okay, you just go ahead, press in here, okay, pull up, then you need to go in an angle, okay, and get it out. Now right here, okay, I thought I dropped it, I couldn't guys, saved it this time. We guys have, okay, the fuse number is printed on the back side of the fuse box, as you can see. And what do you have now here? You have the one that starts with T, this is a relay. The one that starts with F, this is a fuse. Whoever guys number though doesn't make any sense to me. 84 1909 guys, so really complicated numbering system. But the fuse that we're looking at now guys, okay, it's F09. So looking at it guys, it will be this fuse right here. 1 2 3 4th fuse. So if we come right here, okay, what are we looking at? 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's only a 5 amp fuse, only a 5 amp fuse, and super small fuse as you can see. But why it's so small? Okay, we'll try to explain guys now. Okay, this is the fuse. If you need to buy replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a super good price guys, so we'll just install the replacement fuse. That fan guys is controlled by the PCM, which is the engine computer. And engine computer guys, okay, you can see it's right here now. Okay, let me close the box. This is your engine computer. So that little fuse, it's only there if something goes wrong to break the circuit, but other than that, the computer is responsible, and the fan computer for controlling the speeds and all that stuff. That's why you have such a small fuse. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.